Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share with you some inspirational DIYs from the Dollar Tree that you can use for your children's teachers as Christmas gift ideas, or you can use them just as Christmas gift ideas. So the first one I am going to be sharing with you is a tea Christmas tree DIY. So I took a candle holder here from the Dollar Tree, or you can use a mug like the one I just showed you from the Dollar Tree. And you're going to take one of those Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree and hot glue it down to the bottom of the candle holder. And you can also do the same for the mug if you choose to. The hot glue will peel right off. It's not permanent. So apply the hot glue to the bottom of the stand of the Christmas tree. Center it down in the candle holder. I did put a little microfiber cloth around the bottom portion of this Christmas tree so that it can have a flawless and luxurious look instead of stuffing it with something else. So you're going to see me stuff that down in it, and it also helps maintain the Christmas tree from falling down as well. So once we have that done, you can take whatever you would like to hang on your Christmas tree. In this case, I am going to hang some blueberry tea that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to make a small little hole right on the side, being sure not to puncture where the tea bag is so that freshness is ensured. And then I'm going to take one of these ornament holders here and push it right through there and hang it on my Christmas tree. I'm going to adorn it with some peppermint sticks. Now you can adorn it with chocolates or whatever you like. You can also take this same theme and you can make a gift card tree where you can hang separate gift cards from different places along the tree, along with chocolates or whatever you like. So this is just one idea for you guys, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It was very inexpensive and yet still thoughtful, and I would gift this with a nice little mug to the children's teacher. And DIY number 2, you guys, are these personalized wine glasses that I created for my children's teachers, and I would pair them with this sparkling white grape juice in a glass bottle that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, of course. All of these DIYs are mainly things you can get from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love the saying. It says because teachers can't live on apples alone. I think it is so cool, and not only that, I think it's kind of funny and cute. I also personalized it by putting their names on the back of the wine glasses. And here's another cute DIY from the Dollar Tree. They have these beverage cups here that says sit back and relax, happiness in a cup, and they had about 2 more different sayings, but I only purchased these 2, and because they already have the sayings on the cup, that makes this cup perfect, and I absolutely love it. All I did was add the kids' teacher's name on the side, and you can do that with vinyl stickers from the craft store. I will add hot chocolate and chocolates inside of this cup along with marshmallows and give to the teachers. Now these next couple of photos that you will see are all inspirational photos of things that I did not create myself, but things that are definitely at the Dollar Tree, and you can put them together to create this same look for a fraction of the cost, you guys. I absolutely love these inspirational photos, and they really are a great idea. So I hope that you have been inspired by them and also by the DIYs that I also created. And if you have, then go ahead and smash that like button for me. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button now. It is free, and I would love to have you as part of my family here at Hanna Watkins TV. Also, you guys, this is the season for sharing and caring. So if you do, then go ahead and share this video for me to all the people that are on your list. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful, blessed holiday, and I see you in the next one. Love, peace, and blessings. Bye-bye.